Odnaga, please don't kill me. No, please don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Ozo, you, come out! Ozo, have I not warned you to stay clear? Ozo, come out! Have I not warned you not to dare me in this village?
I will not do it again. Please spare my life.
Have I not warned you to mind your business?
Severally, please.
Ozo, today's your payday.
Hey! Ha! Odnaga, why would you want to kill me? What kind of dream is it?
Hello. Good afternoon, Ozo.
Good afternoon, you're welcome.
Please, I need palm wine quickly. Customers are waiting for me in my shop.
Sir, you fly because customers are waiting for you in your shop. Huh? I'm trying to digest the dream I just had now. And you're here mounting pressure on me. Customers are waiting for you. And I can disappear.
Ozo, why are you shouting at me? Please, say palm wine for me. I need 4 gallons.
Price of palm wine has increased. A gallon is 4,000 naira. Just 4,000.
Which one is 4,000 naira again? Please, say palm wine for me now. Eh?
See, Biamaya, I don't need disturbance now. Eh? Are you paying 4,000 naira or not?
I'm not paying 4,000 naira. I'll pay 2,000 naira. If it's not okay by you, let me go to the market and buy.
You go to the market and buy those nonsense they say there. Eh? See, let me tell you, my palm wine cannot be compared to those saccharin you buy in that market. Eh? I sell it any price I like. If it's good for you, you buy. If it's not good for you, you go.
And so, you are not selling for me. Suit yourself now.
Are you leaving? Adam, come and pay 3,500. She's leaving. See you. If you come back, I will sell it 5,000 naira. Oh. Hey. Also gonna nyuku greed. Eh? I should have collected 2,000 naira from man.
Wala to India na trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. Common life wala to India na trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. I'm innocent, I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. Barman life, wala to eat, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. Barman life, wala to eat, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. Ofo can say, Ofo Subanike, what do you stand to gain? Ofo, Guinea go Meregia. Ofo, allow the sleeping dog to lie in go. No competition in destiny, cause who God has placed, no one can cause. Don't be a thorn on his flesh, cause one with God is always a winner. Barman life, wala to eat, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. Barman life, wala to eat, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. Barman life, wala to eat, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, no double wala. Barman life. voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. I'm innocent, I can only watch it. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. Barman life, voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. Ofo can say, Ofo Subanike. What do you stand to gain? Ofo, Guinea go Meregia. Ofo, allow the sleeping dog to lie in go. No competition in destiny, cause who God has blessed, no one can cause. Don't be a thorn on his flesh, cause one with God is always a winner.
Ozo! How are you?
Hey, Ozo, how are you? Hey! Wonders shall never cease. Eh? So, Odinaka now waves at me, Ozo. Odinaka? Hey! I can't believe this. So, Odinaka cannot come down from that rickety bicycle and greet me. Eh? Odinaka of yesterday now waves at me. Odinaka na patch now waves at Ozo. Hey! Insult upon injury. Odinaka nya. How are you? No problem. I am fine. So what? Ozo, how are you? How are you, Ozo? Double. So what? I've been fine. Odinaka. I'm fine.
Voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, not trouble. If you marry a beautiful woman, double voila. I'm innocent, I can only watch it. I know nothing about these things.
Obim, you're back. I know that look. You didn't sell your palm wine today.
You're right.
Basapiro, cheer up. There's always a next time. I believe the next Eke market day you will sell.
You always have a way of cheering me up. I'm very blessed to have a wife like you, a beautiful wife like you.
And I am equally blessed to have a handsome and hard-working man like you. Let me run along, okay? Your food is on the table. Let me run along. Kanga Biko.
Go well and come back on time.
Thank you, I will. Kanga Rafia Biko. Cheer up. What's up you?
Please be careful out there and come back on time.
I will.
Na my darling, na my choice. Na my love, leave am for me. Na my love, na my love, na my sweetie, my sweetie. Na dey use am play. Na my darling, e no get it big. Na my love, e no get it color. Na my darling, leave am for me. I no dey use am play. Na my love, na my love, na my love, na my sweetie.
You're up. You're awake already. You didn't get enough sleep. Ogini.
Maka, do you ever find time to rest?
Obim, how do you expect me to rest when I have too many important things to do?
I'm sure since you got back from the market, you haven't rested.
Am I complaining? When we have torn clothes, you know I hate to see you wear torn clothes. Just like the one you're putting on. I was the one who patched it. Please.
Amaka, come in and rest. You do this later.
Obim, I am not complaining like I said. Please, let me do them.
Amaka, I insist.
Okay. Let me finish with these
Come,
ones.
I'll continue from where you
let
stop.
me finish
Amaka,
with
stand
these
up.
Ones.
Get up, come and rest. Follow me, give me that. I'll continue from where you stopped. Come in, oh. Get up, oh.
Obim, you worry yourself about me.
Let's go inside. You need to get some rest. Eh? After a day's work, you lay down and rest.
Do you know how to do it?
Eh? You want? Maka, stay inside, don't come out, oh. I'll continue from where you stopped.
Hey! Ike Papa.
Oh my God.
This is what we call nkwenu.
I swear.
Very pure. And it tastes really good.
I was about saying that.
Exactly how
I love this palm wine.
Me too.
Adama.
Hey.
Adama, oh, please come, please. Come. I love this.
Ikenna, you called me.
Oh yes, please. One more job, please. One more job, yeah?
My palm wine has finished.
Once again. Hey, boy.
I'm expecting Odinaka to supply more, but I have not seen him.
You expecting who? Odinaka?
Uh-huh.
You mean Odinaka supplied you this palm wine?
Yes.
No wonder it tastes this bad. When you Odinaka na dem.
Then what can check on about? But you just said it tastes good. Where is all this one coming from?
It was just for talking sake.
Talking sake.
Let me tell you something. As far as palm wine is concerned in this village, I am the master of all the palm wine sellers in this village. I have banduro. See, Adam, let me tell you. Eh? All I'm saying is that you should stop buying from Odinaka and buy from me. Only about Odinaka.
Also, I'm surprised at what you are saying. Isn't it the same palm wine Ikenna here requested for another one?
Oh.
Like was every other customer that had a taste of it.
All I'm saying is that you should stop buying from Odinaka and buy from me. Buy from Ozo, the master. Eh? Odinaka my tanku. Sakarin the one use. Yeah, some of.
If you had not increased your price overnight, both of us would not be having this conversation. Please, I have other things to do. Excuse me.
Yeah, hey, also, listen, also. You cannot badmouth another person's business because you want to say yours. Or do you man?
Look at me. Stop.
Eh? Did you Odinaka meg? Allow that young man.
Monsieur, no, stop the query. Shut up. No nonsense. What do you know? I told you to query you. Eh? What do you know?
Oh, I should shut up.
Not query.
You said I should shut up.
Yes?
Maintain same energy when it's time to pay. Idiot, I'm not here.
Aliko Dangote Ndego, mommy's boy. Look at who is still eating Mama, thank you.
I don't know. Odinaka all the time. Odinaka.
Ikebom.
Get your Odinaka Megi. Allow that young man alone. Leave him alone. Eh?
Ikebom boy. Mommy's boy.
I'm not here.
Look
at
shut up.
Hungry man.
I won't taste this thing. Okay. Don't give me your Odinaka swine again. Don't give me poison again. If it is not also swine, I'm temperamental.
Well done.
The man has slapped this in the mortuary. I don't want to unleash my anger on you.
Adama, give me all the Naka's palm wine. I want to drink more, please.
One keta. I'm with him.
The nothing down nebe.
If you marry a beautiful woman, my life, wala. If you marry a beautiful woman, I'm innocent. I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are being.
I don't want to say anything. Odinaka. Hey. Hey. Why, your ma? The morning star. Up now. Hey, Amaka. You are too beautiful to behold. I swear down. Hey.
Thank you, Ozo.
You're welcome. You're welcome. How is business? Huh?
Business is fine, and I am fine.
You see, I didn't even need to ask you in the first place. I know you are fine. Hey.
Also, please, I'm running late. Oh, I'm running late. I'm going to the market.
Hey. Huh? Where was I when Odinaka married this woman? Huh? Just look at her skin. Even though Odinaka does not fit that well, huh? She's still glowing. Hey. Odinaka does not deserve this woman. What can I do here? If
you marry a beautiful woman, my life, if you marry a beautiful woman, I'm innocent. I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange. Buy my life, wala, to eat. If you marry a beautiful woman, buy my life, wala, to eat. If you marry a beautiful woman, wala.
I would like to buy clothing.
Also, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You want to buy?
All of them. Oh.
This one, the bunch. It's 10,000.
Oh, 10,000. Oh, chic feed. See, Amaka, do you know you're too beautiful to be walking under this hot sun? Amaka.
Also, Biko, do.
Yeah.
Did you stop me to buy plantain? Or to talk about beauty this hot afternoon?
Not really, but you know, your beauty can make a man like me one day. What I go? You slapped the titled man. Where is the game on? I will deal with you. Oh, you brought plantain away. Oh, you brought this plantain away. More game on? No problem. But I don't want to be fresh anyway. Hey!
If you marry a beautiful woman, life, to eat you. If you marry a beautiful woman, I'm innocent. I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you,
Amaka.
my friend?
Amaka, what is it? Amaka, what happened? Who's chasing you? Huh? Ozo is chasing you. What happened?
Ozo stopped me along Abaku Road, that Abaku Junction. I thought he wanted to buy plantain, only for him to start harassing me.
Huh?
He almost pulled me on my waist before I pushed him away and gave him a hot slap, and then I took off.
Amaka, which Ozo are you talking about?
Oh, your fellow palm wine tapper. How many Ozos do you know?
Ozo harassed you?
He harassed me. Obim!
My life, voila, to eat you. If you marry a beautiful woman, voila, I'm innocent here. I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you?
Where's Ozo? Where is Ozo? Where's Ozo? Where's Ozo?
Who is after you? What did you do to Odinaka? What did you do to Odinaka? Also, Odinaka is chasing you, looking for you around the village with a machete. Odinaka. That's Odinaka. As we speak now, Odinaka is on his way to your house. Odinaka. Also, am I joking? Hey! Odinaka, back. Hey! Come back!
Ozo, come back! Ozo, I said come back! If I don't cut off your head, call me a bastard! You can keep running, but you can never hide from me!
If you marry a beautiful woman, to eat you. If you marry a beautiful woman, I'm innocent here. I can only watch her. I know nothing about these things. What did I do to you, my friend? See what money has done to you. Money have changed you totally. Because of money, you are behaving strange.
Obim. Obim, I hope you did not kill anyone.
He ran away.
If you ask me, it is better. I was worried. I was dead worried you could have killed somebody or done something drastic.
I didn't want to kill him, but I wanted to teach him a lesson, so he will never try this again.
It is okay. Inugo. Henceforth, we will have to avoid him as much as we can. It is obvious he doesn't mean well for you and I.
It's okay.
So Biko Kaizeria, let's avoid him.
Amaka, leave him to me. Leave Ozo to me. I know how to put him in his place.
It's okay.
Is he mad? Is he mad? He touched my wife.
It's okay. Me, I was surprised. Because the way he grabbed me like this, what is going on?
You should have bitten off his ears.
But I gave him a hot slap.
That's not enough.
I couldn't have done more than that. He's a man, I'm a woman. I gave him a hot slap.
He ran away. Why was he running? He should have waited.
What a lovely couple. They love themselves very, very well. Even as poor they are, they still love themselves. Hey, love, one thing. This is true love.
Nkechi, come and fetch water for me, or let me wash these glasses. There, don't break.
Hey, Carlo.
Ozo.
You know, punctuality is the soul of business.
Wow.
Yes.
Welcome. So, how much is the 2 gallons?
Just 8,000 naira.
Huh?
8
what?
1,000 naira.
2 gallons that I bought from Odinaka 2 months ago, 6,000 naira. Can never go 8,000 naira. Ajimere na baby.
Carlo, are you insane? Huh? Why are you bringing Odinaka into this discussion? I come more Odinaka. Huh? If his wine is that nice, why did you ask me to bring palm wine to it?
Also, if you are selling this drink 6,000 naira, I will pay you. If you don't want to sell, go with your drink. Either you bring my hanaba,
I should go.
Also go if you are not selling 6,000 naira.
Carlo, you said I should go.
Go. I will call Odinaka to bring drink for me.
I know why all this thing. I know why this is happening. I know. It's not Odinaka. Who else? Anyway, no problem. Give me the money.
Oh, I thought you were leaving.
So should I go? Carlo, should I go?
I've already sent message to Odinaka. He will soon be here, very soon. He will be here. And you know his drink is better than your own. I'm only patronizing you because you're my old customer. You know what?
Oh, Carlo, his wine is better than my own.
As if you don't know. Onemaho.
His wine is better than my own. Okay, I should go.
If you won't sell, bring my hanaba. Are you not aware? Now bring my hanaba. I will buy from Odinaka.
Carlo, let it not be like we are quarreling. You know, I've known you for donkey years now. You've been my customer, and you're a very good person. Just give me the money. Bring the sister.
Also, I'm not buying again.
You know again?
Also, go with your drinks. Odinaka will bring drink for me.
Odinaka the wagon. Eh? You won't do what again?
I will not buy again.
You go on.
Also, go. Also, go. I'm not buying again. You are threatening me in my own shop, okay? Oh, now shop. I'm not. Go. I'm not buying again.
Do you know I can get you arrested for what you just did? You asked me to bring palm wine for you. Look at me here. with the palm wine.
I am not buying again. You go
one.
You are still threatening me. You are still threatening me. Hang it on my neck. His drink is better than your own. I'm trying to help you.
The sisters and you go again.
I'm not buying again. Go and sell somewhere else. In case you tell me what I told you now. Ha.
You won't buy the sisters again.
If you told when you are done talking, you go with your drink.
Everywhere you go in this village, he's not trending in this village. I am sure he must have done attraction sham. Yes. If not, tell me how everyone all of a sudden prefers his palm wine to mine. I don't know. Ogbu. He uses sham. I know him. All the candy. All the candy goodness of Bukanago. Hello, man.
Odenaka
on your. This of the super. Hey! Now, wow. I'm afraid of him. He's a nobody when you come.
How do my man?
When you wife, don't for refuse. You wife.
How do my man? How do my man?
I have a glass of that.
How do?
Also good.
Also,
Menagin.
I told you. You can run away, but you can never hide. If you touch my wife again,
what will happen? What will happen?
Also, if you touch my wife again,
what will happen? Nothing. We haven't fought that. Jajana just put a boss.
No.
Let you patch. Come on, guys, sit down. You're nobody. Other. We can you patch and say my boss. Look at this one. Oh no. Help.
Also, you can do anything. But you see his wife, don't touch it.
Thank you.
Don't touch his wife, it's not good.
Thank you.
It is not good though. I need to go also.
Look at who is talking. Since you came back from the city with nothing, all you do is to gallivant the whole village looking for a widow to divorce. How old are you? We did Japioko.
At least, I am devouring something. What are you devouring? Ungo.
You
know, I have hot temper.
No, you are devouring Ungo.
You are devouring Ungo. Look at you are following somebody's wife. A young man like you.
No, I want you to tell me now. Who invited you here? No, what is your business? Why can't you mind your own business there? Eh? No, why can't you mind your business? What is your business here?
I'm never seeing you. I'm only seeing one person here.
Leave him and
You say what?
your food.
You're a billy goat.
Something strange just happened here. I'm hearing voice, but I can't see the person. Are you sitting with someone?
Igwe, my elders, you all here know that I took over this palm wine tapping business from my father. Also, he's a small fry. I am older than him in this business, and as such, he should accord me with some respect. Instead, what does he do? He goes about the town, spoiling my name, taking all my customers. Igwe, you know them. How will I get you boom? I'm a woman bad and temperamental.
Also,
Is here?
no.
Dalo.
Odnaka, you heard what others said. What have you to say?
Igwe, my elders, may you all live long. He has accused me wrongly because I did no such thing. The issue I have with Ozo is that he sexually harassed my wife 2 days ago on her way to the market.
Also,
Here.
what she did was wrong. I heard of this incident from my son. And no one will tolerate such an act from his fellow man.
Is here?
You were wrong.
Is here? There is no smoke without fire. Igwe, what I did was out of provocation. You people should tell him to stop taking my customers.
What makes you feel that he is taking away your customers? Come to think of it, have you ever thought of what you are doing wrong that is making your customer to leave you?
Nothing. I do nothing wrong.
First and foremost, you have to apologize for exhibiting such an orthodox act before his wife.
Oh, like I'm sorry.
And as for the wine business, both of you have accused each other. And it's obvious that something wrong might happen if you continue this way. We are going to put two of you to a test. But before we call you for that, we will deliberate on it. So both of you may go.
What is the test? Now? Let us do it now. Oh yeah. Now break it down. Oh yeah, boy. I don't need to go what I can about him. Oh yes, my friend. Automatically go here.
Until the day.
Automatically go here. You go back.
Okay. The food is ready. I still cannot believe that Ozo apologized. Hey! Hey!
Yes, he apologized. But I know he didn't come from his heart. My love, do you know that bastard accused me wrongly? He told the Igwe that I've taken all his customers. Can you imagine?
Inokwa. And what did Igwe say?
He said he would put us to a test.
Test?
Mm-hmm.
What sort of test?
I don't know. He said he will invite us when he's ready.
Hey! Also apologized.
Mm-hmm.
It still feels like a dream.
He's mad.
Iken, whatever test our Igwe decides to give us, I will beat Odinaka hands down.
Hey, my man.
Also, don't be too sure about that.
I'm a wine jagwagia.
What do you mean? Eh? Who is
Don't
Odinaka?
be too sure.
Who is Odinaka? I am more vibrant and smarter than he is now. Who is he? He's just a fine boy. Nothing. Fine and dull.
Also, you won't boom nowhere. Listen, he is calm and not dull.
He's calm and not dull.
You don't know what is capable of.
He can now, whatever.
You don't know what is capable of.
The fact still remains that I will beat him hands down. Oh my God, Naga. A man that goes about and wearing patch clothes. He thinks that his wife is the most beautiful woman in this village. Odinaka is a nobody. I will beat him hands down any day, anytime. Also, we humiliate him. Odinaka is a nobody. As far as I'm concerned, forget Odinaka.
I'll get it.
I'm just waiting for the D-Day. Can you through Gonata? Odinaka, dull man.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much.
You are my man.
You're a friend in need. You're a friend in need.
Igbo kwuru okwu si na ọ na-abụtaghara akparị ọma ngwongwo. Ya mere na agụba na-eji ama onye ọkpụrụ isi. Odinaka and Ozo.
Igwe.
We summoned you here because we've been able to come up with a test. The result. In the next 3 market days. Both of you will be tapping palm wine and be bringing to the palace. The best palm wine tapper will be allowed to tap palm wine and sell in the whole land, while the other will be stopped from selling and tapping palm wine. Just a test. I hope you accept it.
But Igwe...
Yeah, Igwe, I accept it wholeheartedly.
Odnaka, you wanted to say something. Go ahead, we are listening.
Igwe, I was going to say that no matter who wins the test, it is unfair to ask the loser to stop this palm wine business. Don't forget, it is our only means of livelihood.
We can just say you are scared and stop whining. Who dodge you?
Also, keep quiet.
Who dodge you?
And allow him to speak.
Oh no, don't hear them.
Please go ahead.
That's all I wanted to say.
What do you
Odinaka,
Igwe,
that is so thoughtful of you. But as you can see, just a mere test. Someone has to win.
Yes.
So, if I were you, I would be thinking on how to, get the ground and become a winner than to be a loser. Well, by the way, that is the reason we called you. You may leave.
Igwe, may you live long. Odinaka Ikoge. Titi test some new Ghana. Ikoge, Odinaka.
Hello.
My thing.
This is a difficult test. And the person you are up against is dubious. What if you lose?
God forbid. My Chi will never let that happen. Huh?
You and I know that Ozo will do everything humanly possible to win. You know that. I'm not comfortable.
Amaka, that will not happen. Listen, I'll do my best to tap the finest palm wine. Because I know that my Chi will not let him win. I have faith in my Chi. Amaka, don't worry. Eh? Everything will be fine. Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me? Eh?
I trust you.
Don't play with me, oh.
Afo can say, Afo Subanike, what do you stand to gain? Afo, Guinea go Meregia. Afo, allow the sleeping dog to lie in the no competition in destiny. Cause who God has blessed, no one can cause. Don't be.
This contest will be very tough for me. I admit Odinaka taps good wine. But I started this business long before him. So I should be at the top and not him. I will do everything possible to win and put Odinaka to shame. Odinaka of yesterday wants to contest with me. I will put him in his place. I will.
Afo can say, Afo Subanike, what do you stand to gain? Afo, Guinea go Meregia. Afo, allow the sleeping dog to lie in the no competition in destiny. Cause who God has placed, no one can cause. Don't be a thorn on his flesh. Cause one with God is always a winner. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Ofo can say, Ofo Subanike, what do you stand to gain? Ofo, Guinea go Meregia. Ofo, allow the sleeping dog to lie in go. No competition in destiny, cause who God has placed, no one can cause. Don't be a thorn on his flesh, cause one with God is always a winner. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila, to eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double voila. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman,
You can. I don't understand. So you mean you didn't see any strange movement?
No. What I saw was a normal palm wine tapper that got a keg full of unkwenu and was walking home happily. What is it?
You can. I mean, you didn't see anything at all. I mean, like.
Listen, Ozo. This will be the first and last I will do such a thing for you. I will never try such.
What do you mean?
What is all this?
What do you mean? Eh? It's even better you didn't go at all. Eh? Because you did nothing useful.
You will send me again. Also, you will send me again. Also, you send me again. Look at you. Look at you.
You are good for nothing. You can. You are useless.
Also, anytime.
Small assignment.
Listen, anytime you send me this kind of message again, I'm mawagenti. What nonsense is this? Hey, you go better one. Hey, you go better one.
Come on, get out from here.
Leave. I should get out. Who's also going?
You send me. You don't need to use good things. Nonsense. Idiot. Just small assignment. You couldn't do anything. Very, very useless man. Waja found very good. Onyara. Useless you can. Irresponsible one B.
Ozo will never change. What is he searching for this time? What secret is he searching for?
But I told you. Agwaramgi, I told you that Ozo would do anything to win this contest. I told you.
Amaka, let him do anything he likes. I'm not afraid of him. Please, enough of Ozo. How was your day?
Hectic as usual. Having to walk around that market all day just to sell those plantains. It's not easy. My feet hurt. I'm tired. Really tired of all the sufferings.
I'm sorry. Come and have your bath. Everything will be fine, I promise you. Come and have your bath. I promise to give you a massage when you're done.
That sounds nice.
Welcome. Go. Hey.
The sun, everything.
Sorry.
The sun was just hitting on me.
Sorry. Go. Go. Careful.
Ofo can say, Ofo Subanike, what do you stand to gain? Ofo, Ginigo Meregia, Ofo, allow the sleeping down.
What a smart move. Huh? I am sure that this is the palm wine Odinaka was going to give the king tomorrow. Now, he is left with nothing to present. And I will present this palm wine and be declared winner. Yes! Odinaka, I am wiser than you. I told you, you're a kid.
Allow the sleeping dog to lie in go. No competition in destiny. Cause who God has placed, no one can cause. Don't be a thorn on his flesh. Cause one with God is always a winner. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural.
This is sweet. Sweet palm wine. Fresh palm wine. Fresh palm wine.
Igwe, I'm going to come on. The best palm wine tapa is here also. Igwe, I actually saved the best for the last. Oh. Not like Igwe. Oh, yeah. The best is here. Igwe. Yes, sir. It's here. Enjoy yourself, Jaro. You can enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Hi. What is that? Igwe.
Allow the sleeping dog to lie in go. No competition in destiny. Cause who God has placed, no one can cause. Don't be a thorn on his flesh. Cause one with God is always a winner. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala. Barman life, voila. To eat you, natural. If you marry a beautiful woman, no, double wala.
What's the meaning of this? How dare you bring a poison in the name of palm wine from no one eye to drink? How dare you? Also, for doing this, you are hereby banned from tapping palm wine in this hand.
Igwe, I'm sorry. It was just a mistake. Temper justice with mercy.
Also, shut up! Shut that your mouth up! As we go to Kwaginile, you open this smelling mouth to talk of temper justice with mercy. What do you know about justice? Talk less of mercy.
Leave my presence now.
Igwe, there's no cause.
Will you get out?
Sorry.
Congratulations.
Igwe.
This is fresh palm wine.
Hey, Roof.
I hope I'll be getting more henceforth.
Yes, my king.
You have a reward. Take this. It's your reward.
Thank you, Igwe. Thank you very much.
Please guard this money jealously.
Thank you very much, my king. Iche. Thank you very much. Igwe.
Hi. More awesome. Hi. Okay, like that. Hi. So, Naija, all this was your making. So all this was your making. Okay. No problem.
Also, you think you're smart?
You're not smart. Oh, I'm not smart.
No!
Okay.
I saw you. I saw you sneaking around my house. So I decided to keep quiet and play the same game with you. You have failed woefully. And I'm smarter than you.
Odinaka, you will not go scot-free. I will make you pay dearly for this day. You will lose everything, including the wife you hold so dearly. I promise you that. I swear to God.
My wife?
I swear down.
Also, you're an empty drum that makes the loudest noise. You can't do anything. Also, you can't separate the love Amaka and I share and have for each other.
Hey! Odinaka, you called me an empty drum.
Now.
Also?
Now.
Empty drum.
Now.
Odinaka, you called me an empty drum.
Now.
We shall see. I am a empty drum. We shall see. We shall see. Go up, Odinaka. For an empty drum.
Now.
Okay. Odinaka, go here.
The beautiful one. The most beautiful girl on earth. How are you doing? How are you?
My husband is not around. Please, go away.
It's a good thing your husband is not around. And where are you going? You want to go and sell plantain under this hot sun. Check it out now. It's not good. The sun is too hot. Okay, see what I want to do. What if I give you the total amount of this plantain and then you relax? Going under the sun is not good for your skin.
Don't touch me. I don't want your money. I said my husband is not around. What are you doing here? Go away. Do you want me to scream? You want me to shout?
You don't have to do that. Calm down. I'm not here to hurt you. I just want us to be friends.
I don't want to be friends with you. You are my husband's friend.
I don't know. We can still be friends. See.
No, you are not my friend.
You're stressing this thing.
What is all this? How else do you want me to say it?
You're stressing this whole thing. And you're shouting. It's not good for you. Look at the sun. It's hot. See my hand. Very hot. Your skin is very beautiful. I mean, I'm being concerned here. Going under the sun is not normal. It's abnormal. I can't let you do that. Let me just give you the total money of this plantain and then you relax.
I do not want your money.
You want to go out? The sun is much now. I already said.